case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 2015 Mississippi Court of Appeals case, Scott v. Anderson-Tully Company, centered on the concept of adverse possession, which allows someone who openly and continuously possesses a property without the owner's permission to eventually become the rightful owner. The lawsuit arose when Anderson-Tully Company removed timber from a disputed 20-acre parcel of land in Mississippi. Herman Scott claimed ownership of the land, but the company argued it had acquired title through adverse possession since 1969. The court ruled in Anderson-Tully's favor, and Scott appealed the decision. The court ultimately upheld the lower court's ruling, finding that the company had indeed established adverse possession and ordering Scott to pay all appeal costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class